but she's very sweet and she loves pets.
This gorgeous girl is named Taffy. Taffy is around 2 years old. She weighs in around 50 pounds, and we believe her to be a pit bull Beagle mix. However, she is a rescue, so her exact age and breed are unknown to us and cannot be guaranteed.
Yeah. All the time. Some kids like rough.
She's trying to hold your hand.
Water, so she basically likes swimming. I guess she really just had like her past life was just with water a lot, so maybe she was like a little swimming dog.
Taffy, you like the water? Come on, Taffy. Come on. Come on. Taffy, come on. Taffy, come on.
Good girl. Okay, I'm gonna be dropping Tom in. She's interested. Goes to the butt. And then, good. He heard Tom, didn't care. Avoidant.
Oh.
So she's okay with other dogs and probably some cats too, you know? Like what if her past life with his cats too? And she is really kind with kids and basically with everybody that she meets and she loves. So yeah, that's technically her personality. I think she really likes kids.
Yeah. She's a really sweet girl.